Hello, my name is Rizia Luri, and I'm the communications lead in Team 2, the Cool Beans, and our project was to create a website for the City of Sunnyvale's annual Garage Sale Day event. A little info about this event is that it's an annual event that takes place during the month of September every year, and what this website helps do is helps users register their websites, and also it allows users to search for items in search for a specific garage uh, sales happening in the city through the search function. So if we get started here, the URL is citywidegaragesaleday.com, and this is our main page, which has a little bit of information about the date. For example, the registration will close about 2 weeks before the event, and the search page will be open for public view on September 12th. And here is the contact the recycling program if there are any further questions about a particular event. We also do have the About Event page here, the first tab on our website, which pretty much explains more about the initiative, and it's to keep useful items out of the Kirby Canyon landfill. So there are other resources you could do to reduce that waste as well. You can go to eBay or Craigslist or Recycle Sunnyvale, and some other options are listed below as well. Next tab we have here is the garage sale tips. It's the tips page for the sellers. It has some tips like having plenty of change and staying hydrated, etc. And there's the same page for the buyers as well here in the Smart Shopper's Guide. And there's some tips here as well. Moving on to one of the main parts of the website here is the registration page. And it's the standard, it has the standard format of a registration page. It's pretty straightforward, just your name, phone number, email, address, and then what days you wish to hold your garage sale. You can either do it on the 13th or both on the 13th and 14th. And you can select the items that you have, and then list the specific items that you wish to sell. And you can also put up pictures of your items here. And if you end up changing your mind, you can always cancel the submission here as well. One neat thing in this website that we have is that we do have the option of having a confirmation email sent to whoever registers. So what this allows the user to do is have a full list of everything that they've filled out in this form. And also they can make edits to their submission. So if they have extra items to sell, or they have to remove a certain item that they do not wish to sell any longer, they can go to the link through the confirmation email and always make those changes. Another important aspect of this website is the search tab, but for security reasons, we did hide that part of the website so that there's not any issues with identities and stuff like that. So we have a demo here that we have for the search page, some screenshots that we took. The search page map function has following features. So we can either filter by the items, or we can click on the particular garage sale day location, and that shows address and the items that are being sold, and also the days where they're being held, when they're being held. Another part of the search function is the grid style search here. And here are all the list of items on sale. This will make it easier to put that in the search and submissions box over here. And what you can do is you can either search by these items or specific item or a zip code or a certain street address if you'd like. and that gives you everything, gives the results over here in the submission grid report box. If we go back to our website here, another final thing that we have is the survey. And our client gave us certain questions that she would like answered in order to make the event better in the future. This is an annual event, and we're hoping to have as much input from the users so we can make the process of conducting these garage sales as easy as possible. So that's pretty much it for this website here. Thank you so much for your time. We hope to somehow make a difference in reducing waste in the city of Sunnyvale. And we hope to make the process of registering and buying from these garage sales much easier through this website. Thank you so much for your time again.